Guys, today I want to show you my fidget spinner sent to me from Suku. So this one's really satisfying. Both sides of this fidget spinner spin and it can revolve as well. It's made out of a zinc alloy material, so it's nice metal, heavy weight. It's about 7 ounces, so it's easy to carry, yet so satisfying. You look on here, you're going to see some bumps. This is really great for massaging your shoulder, massaging the bottoms of your feet. It's a great decompression toy. It is a little over 3 inches by 1.5 and 1.5 of an inch. We've been having a lot of fun with this. It really is satisfying, just a way to relax, kind of help your focus and keep you on task. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this information helps you make an informed buying decision. Bye.